ancient stories turning page by page. A figure moves with quiet grace, a hidden truth behind the face. With every gesture slow and deep, mysteries rise from sacred sleep, carrying symbols through the air, speaking truths that few can bear. Behind the painted mask, the spirit finds its voice, guided by a rhythm, not its choice. In the ritual's glow, old wisdom breaks through, revealing what the heart already knew. Steps remembered from a time before, echo slightly on the floor. A borrowed role, a borrowed name, yet something real within the flame. The dance of meaning starts to shine, connecting threads through ancient time. What is hidden starts to show through symbols only spirit knows. Behind the painted mask, the spirit finds its voice, guided by a rhythm, not its choice. In the ritual's glow, old wisdom breaks through, revealing what the heart already knew. Truth appears where